by Macasmadoo. Mummy! Mummy! Adriana was calling her mum, very scared. Grandma told me she wanted to eat me up. Adri, darling, nobody is going to eat you, her mother answered, reassuring her. It's just a turn of phrase to tell you how sweet you are, like chocolate. Sweet? I don't want to be sweet like chocolate. I want to be like all the other children at school, said Adriana. And what are the other children at Adriana's school like? Her mum asked. Well, they're not like chocolate, Adriana answered, giving a great sigh. So, are your friends from school all the same? Her mother asked her. No, Adriana answered angrily. What a question, Mum. They are all very different. Of course, said her mother, but I'm sure they are all very sweet too. Tell me what your friends from school are like, Adriana, said her mother. And Adriana began to tell her. Well, there's a blonde girl. Her skin is pink, but it often turns red. Aha, the strawberry and cream princess, her mother said. Strawberries and cream are sweet, exclaimed Adriana. She kept thinking. There's another girl who's from China. She has smiling eyes and her skin is the colour of vanilla. Her mother interrupted her. You didn't know? It's the vanilla princess. Adriana almost had a fit of laughter. I love vanilla, she screeched. And don't you have any friends who are boys, Adri? Are you only friends with girls? Her mum asked her. Yes, a red-haired boy. He's got lots of freckles, Adriana answered. Her mother was thinking. Clearly it's the carrot cake prince. Right, Adri? Adriana nodded. And I also have another friend, she suddenly remembered. A girl who has skin like mine, but a little lighter, she said.